source and staging layer. And so any like people that want to consume the data, essentially what they'll have to interact with is a presentation layer to kind of like, so the presentation layer is kind of like the domain layer, which contains all the single source of truth. And then it's kind of, that presentation layer is then the usable data. So it's kind of like the marks in the DT terminology. And the idea is like you always interact with the presentation layer anyway, and you wouldn't like necessarily have to interact with the domain layer or staging layer. And the benefit to this approach is, say, for example, if you're using Snowplow for the event data pipeline, but then you decide to switch to another tool, no idea why you would do that, but say you switch the tool, it doesn't really matter because that domain layer is based on a business definition. It's not tool agnostic. So regardless of what tool is like pumping the data in, that domain layer can kind of stay the same, while like all you really have to care about is interacting with that presentation layer. You don't have to worry about like, what is the behind the scenes thing that is